Hello my family, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. How you all doing, guys? I'm doing a little shopping today, shopping around. We are in the month of August, but not so many people around, guys. But today is a sunny weather, a nice and beautiful day, guys. See around, guys, not so many people around. Mostly people here in August, they are on holiday. So I'm just giving you a little short view around. So nice and beautiful, guys. I'm into a commercial center. Guys, you can see. So beautiful, guys. So beautiful around. So beautiful around, guys. Nice view, guys. Nice views walking. Beautiful day, guys. Thank you for hopping up on my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Show you nice, beautiful places, you know, when it's time. I'm at a commercial center. Over there is McDonald's, and here is a theater. You can see all around, guys. It's so active, mostly beautiful places here, guys, in Italy. All you have to do is just come and take a nice holiday here, guys. We show you all around different places. But this month of August, we don't have a lot of activity here. Through the Olympic in Paris, you know, we don't have a lot of activity here. But anyway, here, guys, is very nice. Very nice, guys. Very nice here in Italy when it come on to summertime. Very nice, guys. See all around. Show you nice, beautiful places, guys. Nice view around, guys. Show you around, guys. It's so lovely, guys. So many different things. So many different things inside here, guys. We show you all around. Show you all around, guys. It's a beautiful weather today, guys. Beautiful weather. Sunshine weather, guys. Beautiful. So, guys, here is a flowers place. You can get nice flowers, and here is a commercial center. You know, it's so beautiful. It's beautiful. People goes for shopping to the mall. So beautiful, man. Beautiful places in Italy, guys. Beauty. Nice, beautiful places, guys. Show you all around here at the commercial center, Floraliza. You know, getting a lot of activities and so on, guys. Nice activity here. And here is a little wine place. You know, I think it's a restaurant where you can go out and sit and eat and so on. So guys, I'm taking you around. I'm taking you all around, guys. Taking you all around this beautiful weather. Beautiful weather, guys. Taking you all around. You should do all things, guys. I'm not gonna do lots talking, but you can see the view. The view is so very, very nice here in Italy. Yeah. Now, guys, I'm gonna go into the commercial center inside. Yeah. Wow, guys, see. So beautiful around. Beautiful. Lots of all, so many booths of eating inside here. You know, it's the hour now of lunchtime. So I'm not gonna stroll around so much because I don't want to catch any children into my channels, because you know it's yeah, I don't want any children into my channel, guys. So I come out back from the commercial center because a lot of, the school give holiday here. So, a lot of small and so on children. So I don't want them captured inside. But anyway, guys, here is very, very nice. And you know that inside commercial center is so busy. People, having shopping, to go on their holiday and, to go around and whatever, or even say getting some little small stuff to put away from back to school when it starts and so on. So I just don't want to hesitate inside so much. So I just give you a little preview view inside so you can see the commercial center, because I don't go so much where. So now this is the other front way, you go inside. So you know that the flowers shop here. So, and here, guys, here is a UMNT medication care center. That where you do your, teeth, take your blood. So different things. So be coming here, guys, to Italy is very nice, guys. It is, wow, I missed the train. I didn't want to catch that train, but I miss it. So it's a really nice view, guys. Really, really nice view here. At first I told you that I'm not gonna do so much talking, guys. I'm just showing you the view, the views so much, guys. Showing you the view. show you the views a little, because everywhere is different here and different places where you go in Italy. So you know, different areas show you a lot of so many different things where people don't come to see. So this is back to the other side. We call it a Rozzano here. We are the most beautiful commercial center, you know, and so on. Guys, so guys, I'm gonna pause, and now I want to go to the market so we can look at those fruits and, you know, little small hands and so on. It's an open place for the market. So I'm stepping up, guys. Really so amazing here, guys. This is the underground pass where you can go over, because you can see the road and it's very busy. So they always have a crossway for you to can go over on the other side of the road, and that's the train, guy. Train. So it's not so much, guys. If you come to Italy and you come this side, you know, in Milano, you know, you see a lot of activities and so on. So when you go different places, you can see different movements and so on. So the reason why I don't stay more inside here, because, you know, a lot of children, they like to come to the commercial center, like school give holiday, you know, so you have a lot of, you know, your people shopping with their kids. So, you know, just let's stroll in and so on forth. So guys, I want to take you to the other place and show you around. So guys, I'll show you around. You know that when school give holiday, you have a lot of children around, so sometimes it's not nice for you taking pictures and kids are inside there, you know. So really I did have to break off for a while because I'm so busy, and you know, things you have to do sometimes, show you up different ways. So guys, I'm gonna pause and then afterward I take you on to the other way, guys. So please continue watch the video, okay guys? I'm gonna pause for a minute. So I'm gonna pause for a minute, guys.